There are actually more customers wanting to pay artists than there are artists making themselves available to customers. However, growing up in school, artists are never told about the endless ways customers are ready and willing to pay them for their artistic skills. Here's a perfect example. Some outside beams at this customer's house had large gaps that they wanted to have filled in. They needed someone with creative and artistic skills to fix it in a way that would blend in with the rest of the mortar. This job took me 2 days and the customer paid me over $900 to have it done. I can honestly say I've never started an art piece in the morning and then sold it the next evening for over $900, but that's exactly what happened here. It's just one of the many practical ways people are looking to hire artists on a daily basis. I found out the less limits I put on what art could be, the more income I made. Strangely enough, it's the practical ways I'm making money with art that's providing me the free time and income I need to fund and pursue my personal artistic endeavors. What gets really exciting is when you find out how many genres and services exist where you can not only expect to make over $50 an hour, but that are at their best when they're being provided by creatives and artists. The bottom line is your creative and artistic skills are worth way more than you were ever led to believe. Once I learned this, I had more customers wanting to pay me than I even had time to get to. To learn how you can do the exact same thing with your unique creative skills and abilities, I break it all down at cashcowartist.com. The link is in the description.